Why is free energy impossible to create? Imagine a machine that runs forever without needing any fuel or power. Sounds like a dream, right? But in reality, creating free energy goes against what we know about how the universe works. The main reason is the law called the first law of thermodynamics. It says energy cannot be made from nothing or destroyed. It can only change from one form to another. So, any device claiming to produce energy without input is breaking this rule. For example, if you have a wheel spinning forever, it would need to gain energy from somewhere to keep going. But it can't, because energy loss always happens. Then there's the second law of thermodynamics. This law talks about entropy, which is a measure of disorder or energy spread out. Every time energy moves or changes form, some of it turns into heat or other unusable forms. This means no machine can be 100% efficient. Friction, air resistance, and other forces always sap some energy away. So, even if a machine starts with a lot of energy, it will slow down and stop eventually unless you add more energy. People have tried to build perpetual motion machines for centuries. They imagine devices that keep moving forever without energy input. But every time, these devices relying on hidden energy sources or ignore the laws of physics. For example, magnets or clever mechanical setups might seem to spin for a while, but they never produce energy from nothing. They just temporarily store energy or use external influences. In strange science experiments, some devices seem to move or spin for a long time. These are often tricks or illusions. They might use magnets or clever arrangements, but they don't create energy. Instead, they just transfer or store it temporarily. These experiments are fun to watch but reminded us that natural laws are very strict. Understanding why free energy is impossible helps us focus on real solutions. Instead of chasing impossible machines, scientists work on better energy efficiency and renewable sources like solar and wind. Some theories in physics explore exotic ideas, but they still follow the basic rules of energy conservation. So, in the end, free energy can't exist because it would break the fundamental laws that govern our universe. While quirky experiments and strange devices are entertaining, they only prove that natural laws are unbreakable. They reminded us that energy always has a source, and it always disperses over time.